potluck again. I made this smashed skirt burger today. Having a potluck is the greatest part of the week. This time we decide to do a hamburger thing. Yeah, time to pick an egg and find out what everyone is cooking. I got smashed skirt burger. Found some reference online. Cheesy patties and softest hot dog bun. Watch me how to turn this into a hot dog style. Making a beef patty, I'm using ground beef and my special spice. I'm creating my special spice first. Today's special spice is garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and thyme. Add the spice, salt, and pepper into the ground beef. Mix well. I have a fun questions for my friends today. Who invented the cheese skirt burger? Alright, now I'm making a patty into a rectangular shape. Caramelized onion using sweet onions. Sliced onions. Saute the onion until it caramelizes. It will take a bit of time. Let's see how long it will take. Halfway through, add some salt. Wow, it's about 40 minutes. It's time to make the skirt patty. Grill the patty on both sides first. Smash the patty using this cast iron plate. Add a lot of cheddar cheese on top of the patty. Add water for steam and cover the lid. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Wow, it's getting crispy. Use the spatula to lift it up. Ooh, it's not easy. Feel like another workout. Finally, I got it up. Let me try another one. Ooh, this one is not easy as well. Maybe it's not crispy enough. Oh no, I failed on this one. That's okay, I'll fix it. Let me give it another try. Whoa, this one has a pretty skirt. Making a hot dog bun. Flour, milk powder, sugar, yeast, egg yolk, butter, and ice water. Add all the wet ingredients first. Gradually add the flour and remaining ingredients. Mix until a smooth dough. Now the dough is very smooth. Let it proof for 40 minutes. After first proof, divided by 7 mini dough. I'm going to make them into a hot dog shape. Second proof and bake until it's done. Oh, my hot dog bun looks funny, but I'll decorate pretty.
Everything's ready. Let's plate up.
The bun is super soft. Time to assemble it together. Enjoy the ride. Oh, almost forgot about the Thousand Island dressing. I made with ketchup, mayo, and Ketchup mustard. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty and stunning? Looks so delicious. Hosting a potluck, play a little game, creates the best memory for friends and family. I will make more recipes like this. See you next time.